Stop walking away then.
Go up then.
Walk
Back
over
up!
there. Walk over there.
I'm not walking nowhere. I'm staying on the sidewalk like you just told me.
Emotionality is a red flag. It's a tell that something's not right. And when someone gets extremely excited, that's often a sign that something's off with the situation, and that should draw your attention. Keep watching and you'll see exactly what I mean.
On March 18, 2023, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle for an improper right turn.
You have your license with you?
I do have my license.
Everything's okay so far?
When you guys turned out, made an improper right.
Improper right?
Yep. An improper right is when you basically make a right-hand turn and you go.
I know exactly.
We were just at
You have a medical marijuana card?
I don't have a medical marijuana card.
No, I wasn't driving earlier also.
She was just
I
sitting
was
in
maybe
front.
sitting, but I wasn't driving.
Well, she was
Wait,
sitting.
why were you watching me this?
We drove by.
Drove by?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was just sitting there.
All right. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I'm just a passenger.
Okay. We'll step out because we both smell marijuana. So step out. Step out.
Step out of the car. Yeah, step out of the car, I'm gonna pull you out.
Yeah, the car for some they smell weed and they're trying to pull me out and do like
Okay. Come on.
this extra stuff.
Step out.
You don't have the right.
Ma'am, step out of the car. I do have the right.
Come over here.
Right by 7-Eleven.
Ma'am, step out of the
You
car.
were watching me over there. Don't touch me.
Ma'am, I'm about to grab you.
Don't you-
Step out of the
don't
car.
you dare
now.
touch me.
Step out.
Don't you dare touch me.
Hey, hey.
Stop! 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 Stop!
Get off the
Stop!
Wait, Mom.
Stop!
Wait.
Stop! Stop!
Bro. Yeah, they just did this literally because you came. All we did was come out here, came out the neighborhood, and they just slammed her on the ground. What's your badge number?
Hey, get back.
What's your badge
Get
number?
back. You want to go to jail too?
right.
Get on the sidewalk.
Okay.
Just stand here.
And he just put his hands on me.
Get up. Hey, don't walk up to that car.
Got it.
Right by 7-Eleven.
Hey,
Okay.
just can you come chow over here for me, man?
don't do
I'm
not
not
put
gonna-
your
I have
hands
no
on me.
reason to
Put your
touch
hands
you.
on me. I'm putting my hands
Okay.
on you.
I have no
Touch
reason.
me.
Stop walking away then.
Go up then.
Walk
Back
over
up.
there. Walk
No.
over there.
I'm not walking
And
nowhere.
this
I'm
is a
staying
red
on the
flag straight
sidewalk like
away.
you just told me.
Okay,
You said
stay
go on the
over there.
sidewalk.
Why are you
I'm on the
standing there?
sidewalk.
Why are you
Why are you
standing
telling me to do different stuff,
This
you
is an
dumbass?
issue.
Why are you
You're a
standing-
rookie.
Stand
You
over
said
here.
come on the sidewalk. I'm on the sidewalk.
tell you
I'm
to
not
stand
going
over
nowhere.
0
I'm
to
not going nowhere. I'm
100.
staying on the sidewalk.
Hey, grab him.
I'm staying on
Grab
the
him.
sidewalk. I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying on this. No.
It's a red flag straight away.
I'm not moving. I'm staying on the sidewalk. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing anything, dude. Stop. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing. Okay, I
Depends
will.
how you define
I will stop. Bro, I wasn't doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. I'm not doing
He
anything.
means he's not doing anything as in committing an offence.
Your hands. Give us your hands. No.
Dude.
Oh. Give your hands. Oh.
So this would be considered resisting.
Stop.
Stop.
Ow.
Stop.
Ow.
Stop. Okay, stop reaching.
You about to break my neck.
Okay, stop. Stop. Let go of your hands. Let go of your hands. Let go of your hands.
Oh no.
Stop.
This isn't too
I'm
difficult
not
to
doing
break hold of
nothing. Please
actually,
stop.
to break that grip.
Freaking
Just need a little bit of leverage on the wrist.
Ow. Ow.
Stop.
Ow.
Stop.
Ow.
Stop.
Ow.
Stop.
Okay, I swear to God. Ow.
Just let go.
Ow.
Give us your
Ow.
arm.
Ow. Ow.
I mean, obviously there's a health and safety issue here.
Ow.
Person
Ow,
not
I am.
being
not doing
smothered, that
nothing.
is.
Dude, just stop. Give us your hands. I've said it 100 times. No, I don't have to. No, you said.
Ow, dude, my arm. Fuck. Oh my God. Ow.
The officer's breathing hard.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow.
Over. Stop reaching your pocket.
Oh, dude. Oh, oh, I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Okay,
Oh,
roll over.
I can't. Get up, water.
Stop.
Water.
Sit up. Sit up. Bring your feet.
Help me. Ow. Can I have water, please?
Yeah, hold on.
Mr. Murphy, please. Murphy, there's nothing in my pockets, I swear to God. Ow, my arm. Ow.
Stop.
Mister. Ow,
Okay.
stop. No, your arm, dude, my arm.
barely touching
Dude, my
you.
elbow.
There's
Move
a
your
lot of
arm
fuss.
from like that, please. Please move your arm. Move your arm from under my elbow.
Fall.
Dude, why does
There's
it
a little
feel
bit of
like
fuss
that?
here.
I think my arm's broken. I honestly think my
what
arm's
is it?
broken.
I think he's got 0 in his pants. Don't grab it!
Do not.
I got. Stop.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Hey, I just pulled this out of his ass, okay? Yes, so get back.
Mom, I did not have that on me. No.
Ma'am, get back. This just came out of his pants, okay? So step back.
I just
Step back.
Right in the middle of that crack.
You do not. That's my
Back up or you'll get cuffed too.
Mom. It literally. Mom, I did nothing. Ow.
Calm down.
Get my wallet.
No. Stay back.
You hear me?
No.
No,
No.
you can wait back there. We'll deal with it in a second.
I don't know. They said they got a gun off of him. I really don't know. My son is just that and
It was
everything.
in his pants.
No. Pull my pants up. I don't have nothing in my stuff. Like, I need my shoes. Mom, my phone. Ow.
Why is he going to jail?
Because he resisted and he's in possession of a concealed firearm.
I did not resist. They slammed me on the ground for going on the sidewalk.
Hey.
Mom, they said go on the sidewalk. I went
Hey.
on the sidewalk and they slammed me.
Stop. Hey.
Mom, they told me go on the sidewalk. I went on the sidewalk and they slammed me on the.
Relax.
Mom, this dude was punching me in my head. He punched me in my back 3 times. He punched me in my neck. Dude.
Take a breath. Take a breath.
It's fine. Just calm down.
Right here, okay?
Just let them do their job.
Take a breath.
Put your peanut off. Put your peanut off.
So I don't mind. At the end of the day, if he did that,
Oh my God. Bro, excuse me? Can you loosen these cuffs up a little bit, please?
so where was he even coming from?
I don't know, ma'am. I showed up after the struggle between the
So
two
who
officers.
was the officer that pulled him over? Which officer pulled him over? That's the officer I want to speak to.
How old is your son?
He just turned 18.
Okay, then we have under no obligation to tell you anything. Okay, just so you know. He's
understand
okay.
that, but
So what I'm going to tell you,
as a
what I'm going to,
parent-
as the supervisor, what I'm going to tell you.
As a parent.
Okay, as a supervisor.
And I know you're a parent.
I
You
am
have kids.
absolutely yes, ma'am. But what I'm going to tell you, these officers conducted a traffic stop.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, your son resisted. When I showed up, he was on the ground handcuffed. I am the officer that pulled this out of your son's underwear. Okay, that's not a commonplace. I'm sure he's not licensed to carry this, so that's a jail sentence right there.
It's not a state. You don't have to be like.
Yes, you do.
Here.
To conceal it, you do, ma'am. Yes, absolutely. And that's not, it's not holstered. I don't carry my firearm in my underwear. Okay, clinched between my butt cheeks. That's exactly where it was, and that's what my report's gonna say.
Get the gloves out.
And I was literally doing everything they said. They said go on the sidewalk. I went on the sidewalk. They started like walking up on me. I said, I'm on the phone. Can you please not grab me? And then he kept walking up on me. I listened to everything they said. Everything they said.
I wasn't there, brother.
Yeah, wait, do they have the body cam footage though, right? Oh yeah, dude. My dude. Oh my gosh.
Your son just going to
Clutching
step
his
for
shoes
resisting.
now.
Can you please loosen it? Can I call my mom?
No.
What's going on?
Can I call her and can you please
She slipped
loosen
out of her
this?
cup.
It's breaking my It's breaking
Scoot this way. Scoot this way.
Please.
Here, step out and turn around. They go behind you.
Okay, but can you not tighten
It won't be
them
tight.
super
I
please?
won't.
It's
It
cutting my
won't. All right, I'll fix it. I'll fix it for you. I'm gonna fix this one before I adjust this one. Okay?
Can you please call my mother?
How old are you?
I just turned 18.
Okay. Yeah. You can call her. We'll let you call her. Yeah. All right. She been patted down. You been good on her?
I did a quick pat down.
Anything on you?
Go for it.
Go ahead, have a seat. All right.
I'm just make sure you didn't.
Drop anything?
Yeah.
Wear the old Tesla hat.
But I think the reason he had his arms locked like that was to keep the gun from falling.
Probably. Stuff from the back.
Yeah, when I went to grab it between his, I literally almost hit the trigger.
I can't video that. I haven't just seen it.
Lucky he didn't hit the trigger.
Does he need these to see, or do you want them?
Yeah, he wears prescription.
So what's the takeaway? When people go from 0 to 100, that's a red flag straight away. And it often suggests that someone has something to hide. Be mindful. When someone gets hyper aggressive instantly, that's because they're hiding something. Thanks for watching.